Have you noticed that your vision is no longer the same? The letters seem blurred, the lights bother you more, and you find your eyes getting tired easily? Many people believe that losing vision is something inevitable with age, but the truth can be very different from what you imagine. There are scientifically proven methods that can help preserve and even improve your vision, regardless of your age. And today, you are going to discover what really works and which mistakes are harming your eyes without you even realizing it. Vision is one of the most important senses for human beings. However, most people do not know how to properly care for their eyes and only notice the problem when it is already advanced. What many do not know is that some everyday actions can accelerate the deterioration of vision, while simple habits can preserve it for much longer. If you want to know how to see well at 60, 70, or even 90 years old, stay with me until the end of this video, because I will reveal information that can completely change the way you care for your vision. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, take this opportunity to subscribe and activate notifications. Here, we bring you valuable information about health and well-being so that you can lead a healthier and more balanced life. Subscribe now and make sure you don't miss our upcoming content. Many people believe that the decline in vision happens simply because we are aging, but that is not true for everyone. Some people manage to maintain healthy vision even into advanced ages. What do these people do differently? And why does the majority suffer from problems such as cataracts, glaucoma, and macular degeneration? First, we need to understand what happens to the eyes over time. With aging, tear production decreases, leading to dry eye syndrome. This causes irritation, a sensation of sand in the eyes, redness, and even blurry vision. Many people resort to over-the-counter eye drops to relieve this discomfort, but not all eye drops are safe. Some contain preservatives that, in the long run, can cause more harm than benefits. Another common mistake is the indiscriminate use of vitamins for the eyes. Have you heard of the famous Japanese vitamins for the eyes? They promise to improve vision, but do they really work? The truth is that the blood-ocular barrier, which protects the eyes against harmful substances, prevents these vitamins from being absorbed directly. In other words, applying vitamins in eye drops may not have the desired effect. What really works is ensuring the correct intake of nutrients through proper diet and supplementation. Cataracts are one of the most common problems that arise with age. They occur when the lens, the natural lens of the eye, becomes opaque, making vision difficult. This problem can be aggravated by a lack of antioxidants in the diet, especially B-complex vitamins and omega-3. Did you know that people who regularly consume antioxidants have a 40% lower chance of developing cataracts? On the other hand, diets rich in sugar significantly increase the risk of the disease. Another silent problem that affects millions of people is glaucoma. It is known as the silent thief of sight because it may not present symptoms in the beginning. By the time a person notices that they are seeing poorly, they have often already lost part of their vision irreversibly. But there are ways to detect glaucoma early. The Amsler grid test, for example, can indicate changes in central vision, one of the first signs of the problem. Additionally, difficulty seeing in low-light environments can be a warning sign of vitamin A deficiencies and retinal diseases. Now, let's talk about a controversial topic: pinhole glasses. Have you heard that these glasses can improve vision? Many products of this type are sold with the promise of reversing myopia, astigmatism, and even cataracts. But do they really work? The truth is that these glasses have no scientific evidence to support them. What happens is an optical trick. By looking through the holes, the depth of focus temporarily increases, giving the sensation of improvement. However, this improvement disappears as soon as the glasses are removed. To truly strengthen your eyes, one of the most effective methods is visual training. Specific exercises can help reduce eye fatigue and improve the ability to focus. One of the best known is the window method. Simply alternate your focus between a near object and a distant object repeatedly. This stimulates the ocular muscles and improves the accommodation of vision. In addition to exercises, nutrition plays an essential role in maintaining eye health. Foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, such as spinach and broccoli, help protect the eyes against damage caused by blue light and aging. The consumption of omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon and sardines, is also fundamental for keeping the eyes lubricated and preventing inflammation. Another simple but highly effective practice is protection against intense light. Excess blue light emitted by cell phones, computers, and TVs can accelerate macular degeneration and increase eye fatigue. The ideal is to use blue light filters and follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at a point at least 6 meters away for 20 seconds. Finally, let's talk about the best eye drops for dry eyes. If you use eye drops regularly, pay attention to the ingredients. Avoid products that contain preservatives such as borax, castor oil, and chlorobutanol, as they can cause irritation and ocular dependence. Instead, opt for preservative-free eye drops, especially those in single-dose packaging. In addition to eye drops, some natural remedies can help maintain eye health. Green tea, for example, has anti-inflammatory properties that can relieve eye irritation when applied as a compress. Carrot juice, combined with olive oil, improves the absorption of vitamin A and strengthens the retina. Meanwhile, saffron and ginkgo biloba help improve blood circulation in the eyes and can slow down ocular aging. Now that you know this information, you already know how to protect and naturally improve your vision. But what about you? Have you ever had vision problems? Do you use any supplements or home remedies? Leave your comment below and share your experience. If you liked this video and want more content on eye health, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. This way, you'll always be informed when we have new videos with essential information for your health. Don't waste time. Take care of your eyes today to ensure clear vision in the future. In addition to all the factors we mentioned earlier, there is one crucial aspect that few people consider: the impact of lifestyle on eye health. Did you know that daily habits such as an inadequate diet, sedentary lifestyle, and stress can accelerate the deterioration of vision? Many believe that the eyes are isolated organs, but in reality, they are directly connected to the functioning of the body as a whole. For example, excess blood sugar, characteristic of type 2 diabetes, can lead to a condition called diabetic retinopathy. This disease causes damage to the blood vessels in the retina and can result in partial or complete vision loss. Poor blood circulation can also worsen diseases such as glaucoma, which is directly linked to elevated intraocular pressure. The good news is that there are ways to protect your eyes against this damage. The first is to maintain a balanced diet. In addition to the antioxidants mentioned earlier, including foods rich in magnesium, zinc, and vitamin C can strengthen ocular tissues and reduce the risk of inflammation. Magnesium, for example, helps relax blood vessels, improving ocular circulation and reducing the risk of glaucoma. Another essential strategy is engaging in regular physical activity. Aerobic exercises, such as walking and cycling, improve blood circulation, reduce intraocular pressure, and prevent the hardening of the retinal vessels. Studies indicate that people who exercise regularly have a lower risk of developing macular degeneration, one of the main causes of blindness in old age. Now, let's talk about a mistake that many people make without realizing it: excessive exposure to blue light. Did you know that spending hours in front of screens can harm your eye health? The blue light emitted by cell phones, computers, and TVs can cause eye fatigue, insomnia, and even damage the cells of the retina. To minimize this impact, it is ideal to reduce screen time and use blue light filters. If you work on the computer for long periods, follow the 20-20-20 rule mentioned earlier. Additionally, try to blink more often while using screens. The act of blinking helps distribute the natural tear film across the eyes, preventing dryness and reducing eye fatigue. Speaking of eye fatigue, there is a simple exercise that can help relieve eye tiredness quickly. It's called the palm method. Just rub your palms until they warm up, close your eyes, and gently cover them with your hands for a few minutes. This exercise helps relax the ocular muscles and improves blood circulation in the area. Another important point is quality sleep. Lack of sleep can impair the cellular regeneration of the retina and increase the risk of eye inflammation. Sleeping at least 7 to 8 hours per night is essential for maintaining eye health. Now let's talk about something many ignore: the importance of protection against ultraviolet rays. Exposure to the sun without protection can cause irreversible damage to the eyes, increasing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. The use of sunglasses with UV protection is essential to prevent these problems. But be careful, not all sunglasses offer this protection. Make sure your sunglasses are certified to block UV rays. Another detail that is often neglected is the way we apply eye drops. Have you ever wondered if you are doing it correctly? Most people simply drop the drops into their eyes without worrying about proper absorption. However, the best way to apply eye drops is to slightly tilt your head back, pull down the lower eyelid, and drop the drop into the conjunctival sac. Then, gently close your eyes for a few seconds to ensure that the eye drop spreads correctly. Now that you know how to better care for your eyes, let's talk about some popular myths about vision. Myth number 1. If you wear glasses, your vision will worsen. This is one of the biggest myths about eye health. Wearing glasses does not weaken your vision. What happens is that, without the proper use of corrective glasses, the eyes may strain excessively, leading to headaches and eye fatigue. Myth number 2. Eating carrots improves your vision. Although carrots are rich in vitamin A, which is essential for eye health, consuming them alone is not enough to correct vision problems. Ideally, you should combine different nutrients to ensure complete nutrition for the eyes. Myth number 3. Watching TV up close damages your vision. This myth has been repeated for generations. However, watching TV up close can cause eye fatigue, but it does not permanently damage the eyes. The discomfort occurs because the eyes have to work harder to focus on the image. Myth number 4. Looking directly at the sun improves your vision. This is one of the most dangerous myths. Direct exposure to the sun's rays can cause irreversible damage to the retina, increasing the risk of eye burns and even partial blindness. In addition to debunking these beliefs, it is important to remember that regular visits to an ophthalmologist are essential for early detection of any eye problems. Examinations such as tonometry, which measures intraocular pressure, and retinal mapping can identify diseases in their early stages and increase the chances of successful treatment. Before we finish, here are some practical tips that you can start applying today to preserve your vision. Maintain a balanced diet. Include foods rich in antioxidants, omega-3, and essential vitamins for the eyes. Reduce screen time. Whenever possible, take breaks and use blue light filters. Exercise regularly. This improves circulation and reduces intraocular pressure. Wear sunglasses with UV protection. This prevents damage caused by the sun's rays. Get enough sleep. Adequate rest is essential for the regeneration of ocular cells. Avoid excessive sugar in your diet. Diabetes is one of the main risk factors for vision loss. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can lead to dry eyes and impair the natural lubrication of the eyes. Get regular eye exams. Consulting a specialist can help identify problems before they become irreversible. Now that you know how to better care for your vision, why not share this information with your friends and family? Many people still do not have access to this knowledge and may be harming their eyes without realizing it. If you liked this video and want more content on health and well-being, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive updates whenever we post a new video. Remember, taking care of your vision today means ensuring a higher quality of life tomorrow. So start now.